Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of running apps which you don't use in this moment, they may cause your device's performance to drop down low. So what you can do about it? You can tap this recent button here, and here you can see all of your opened apps. As you can see, I have many of them here. So if you don't use them in this moment, you can just tap this clear all button, and after that all of these apps will be closed and your phone performance will be higher for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.